Good morning, guys. We cannot afford to have Helen Zille as the mayor of Joburg. Helen Zille is 100 million times worse Cyril Ramaphosa. She is the actual Tumamina of the Western imperialists. She's a white supremacist. And if you look at the Western Cape, you'll see that black people are abused there. They live in shit conditions. So she wants to bring that shit condition into Joburg. We do not want Helen Zille. Helen Zille comes from a traumatic past for black people. And she is triggering as fuck. We don't want Helen Zille. She can go and retire. It's good. She's done her part. She's played her part to protect the investors and to make sure that imperialists are eating and not feeding the people of this land. So we don't want Helen Zille. I'm going to say it 100 times because I know you guys, you get caught up. The media will start panting her. You guys are going to start thinking she's okay. She's not okay. We don't want Helen Zille. Look at her track record. We don't want Helen Zille as mayor of Joburg. Thank you.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Helen Zille announced ukuthi abantu balapha eJohannesburg bathi bafuna yena abe yimeya yalapha eJohannesburg. So labanye abantu bathi nje neiva bathi ngeke ube imeya wena la South Africa khodlwa Helen Zille hamba retire vele sowudigugele hambe uyohlalela phansi utidlele imali takho ayikho nje indzaba yakho asekufoni wena. So uNtsikimaz even decided to make a video asho ukuthi cha uyasibhedzela nangugo nang dlala nje ngathi ufuna ukudlalela ngathi nje abantu labamnyama ayikho nje indzaba yakhe asimfuni. There is no way she's gonna become imeya yalo Johannesburg. Uyasibhedzela so yabona vele nawo ukuthi Helen Zille like she's interested vele yafuna naye kuba imeya lapha eJohannesburg, but bantu bathi never granny no. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.